So last year, we were the first to report on the structure of Zika virus itself. Since that time, we've been trying to dissect out various features of the virus using cryo-electron microscopy and other tools that we have available here in Hochmeyer Hall. So the work that we did looks at a particular Zika virus antibody. The antibody was originally isolated from a patient infected with Zika virus. And our colleagues at Washington University and Vanderbilt were able to extract that antibody and amplify it so that we were only looking at a single antibody. So what we did was we took the antibody, we added it to the virus, and we then looked using cryo-electron microscopy at how that antibody binds to the virus particle. So that's, you know, your body makes lots of different antibodies. Some of them are great antibodies in that they are very efficient at killing the virus, and some are not so efficient at killing the virus. This antibody is a very potent antibody at killing the virus. And so examining where it binds allows us to understand and make predictions as to what are the important sites on the virus that we should be targeting for new vaccines and for antivirals.
If the antibody can be used to neutralize the virus, that means we can use it as a therapeutic to get rid of the infectious virus from whatever body is being infected. I always make the analogy to a car. If some Martian were to come on Earth and see a car, he might wonder how a car works and how he could use a car. And the best way to do that is to stop the car, open the hood, and look inside, see how the engine is put together, take the engine apart, maybe put it together again, see whether it still works, maybe make some changes, see whether you can make the anticipated changes in the way it works. And so looking at the structure really means you can start to understand how the virus does its work of infecting cells. We're going to be looking at many other antibodies. We're going to be trying to look at compounds which might inhibit the virus. And there's so many things which are interesting. Just like when you look at a car, you can look at all kinds of things in the car. They're all interesting.